In the competitive world of tools and equipment, one brand stands out for its unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. Introducing INGCO, a renowned brand from China that has earned a well-deserved reputation for excellence. In this video, we will take you on a fascinating journey through the story of INGCO, its impressive product range, global presence, customer satisfaction, technological advancements, sustainability initiatives, and unique position in the global market. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a journey into the world of quality tools in Multan, Pakistan, brought to you by SHAFIQ Sons Tools and Machinery Store. As an authorized dealer of INGCO brand products, we offer an extensive range of professional tools and equipment to cater to all your needs. In this video, we will delve into INGCO's offerings and services in Pakistan. But before we begin, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any of our informative videos. Established as a leading manufacturer of tools and equipment, INGCO quickly gained recognition for its superior quality, reliability, and value. From its humble beginnings, INGCO has grown into a trusted brand, consistently delivering products that meet the highest industry standards. And now, as an authorized dealer in Multan, we take pride in bringing you the wide range of commercial and industrial tools, equipment, machinery, and hardware offered by INGCO. Whether you need power tools, welding tools, hand tools, garden tools, measuring tools, pressure tools, paint tools, washing tools, air compressors, industrial equipment, or safety equipment, INGCO has it all. Their comprehensive product range ensures that you find the right tools for any job. The dedication to quality is at the core of INGCO's philosophy. Their tools are built to last, providing exceptional durability and precision. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike trust INGCO for their projects. And to ensure your satisfaction and peace of mind, INGCO offers a comprehensive warranty and after-sales service. INGCO is widely recognized for its commitment to quality and reliability. Each tool undergoes rigorous testing and quality checks to meet the highest industry standards. From the selection of materials to the manufacturing process, INGCO employs advanced technologies and stringent quality control measures. SHAFIQ Sons Tools and Machinery Store as your one-stop shop. As an authorized dealer in the Multan region, SHAFIQ Sons Tools and Machinery Store is your one-stop shop for all your professional tool needs. We are dedicated to providing you with the highest quality products and excellent customer service. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a do-it-yourself enthusiast, our outlet is here to cater to your requirements. Services provided by INGCO in Pakistan. By establishing strong relationships with INGCO and potentially other quality brands in the future, we strive to become the go-to destination and dealer for tools and equipment in Multan. Our vision is to offer an extensive selection of reliable and high-quality products, meeting the diverse demands of our valued customers. Future expansion and brand partnerships. While our focus is currently on INGCO, we aspire to broaden our horizons and explore partnerships with other quality brands in the future. Our ultimate goal is to provide you with a wide selection of reliable products that cater to your evolving needs. Rest assured, as we expand our offerings, we will maintain our commitment to quality and prioritize the satisfaction of our valued customers. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of INGCO and the services we provide in Multan. We value your opinion, so let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting content. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another informative video. INGCO, making the world in your hands. Available at SHAFIQ Sons Tools and Machinery Store, Yasin Arcade, Railway Road, Pakistan. A legacy of quality service since 1928.